If you're like me and you want to be filled up after your meal for longer, but you're bored of the potatoes and the breads and they're just not doing it for you, then couscous is a great way to go. But the only thing I find with couscous is that it's very dry and it doesn't have that much taste. But that is until AI Weight Loss Diet got in touch with us as our sponsors and sent us a recipe, and they married my best, most favourite food with couscous, and that is hummus. And hummus literally can go with everything, but I never ever thought of marrying that with couscous. Such a simple idea. And what that does is it allows the moisture to really come out of the couscous rather than having it dry, and also the flavour as well. So when you add that with the courgettes, the onions, the bell peppers, the mushrooms, the olives, it really has that taste explosion that you want, and you want to share it with people and you want to have it again and again. So here I am sharing it with you guys, so watch the video to see how it's done.